For today, I will be your guide in discussing how to remove yourself from WhitePages.com. But first, how does WhitePages work? After you submit the form, WhitePages will delete your listing within 24 hours. Removal of a WhitePages listing shouldn't take longer than 20 minutes. Here's how to deactivate your WhitePages profile. Just follow the easy steps to remove your name and personal data from WhitePages.com. First, go to the website. Then, enter your full name and specify your city and state. Click the search button. After that, find your listing and click the View Details button. As you are now located on the listing, copy the page URL. Go to the WhitePages opt-out page. Paste the URL of the listing you copied and click the Next button. Next, WhitePages will ask you to verify your information. Please check if your name and address match up and click the Remove Me button to proceed with the removal process. After that, WhitePages asks everyone to select one of 4 reasons for opting out of their website, which are 1. My profile is incorrect. 2. Receiving spam calls and junk mailing. 3. I am being harassed or stalked by someone. 4. I just want to keep my information private. After that, select the reason that fits your case and click the Next button. Next step, WhitePages request a real personal phone number to confirm your identity and validate your removal request with a phone call. Enter your phone number, check the box underneath and click the Call Now to Verify button. Please note that it is important to provide your real phone number and answer the phone call quickly since the verification calls from WhitePages come in fast. In case you provide a fake or wrong phone number, you will need to start over. Last step, you will receive a robocall from WhitePages, asking for the verification code displayed on the screen. Dial this verification code. The robot will tell you that your opt-out request was accepted. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours for your record to be removed. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching.